Everyone thinks the best-selling lawnmowers are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you take a closer look, you'll find some surprising differences that can make all the difference in your lawn care. Product number 1, American Lawnmower 120414. The American Lawnmower 120414 caught my eye immediately with its classic design and eco-friendly approach. Priced at just $72, it's a budget-friendly choice for those looking for a simple, manual option. If you want a straightforward way to keep your small lawn neat, this is worth a serious look. This 14-inch push reel mower features a 4-blade system that cuts grass without bruising it, which is great for maintaining your lawn's health. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's super easy to maneuver around tighter spots. Plus, the adjustable cutting height of 0.5 to 1.75 inches means you can adapt it to your grass needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for small yards and keeps maintenance low. While it has no motor, which some may find limiting, this also means no fuel and no noise. Now, some people complained about its effectiveness on taller grass. Here's the thing though, if you stay on top of your mowing, this isn't a deal breaker. It's designed for smaller lawns and more frequent mowing, which could actually save you time and hassle. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want a low-maintenance, eco-friendly solution. Skip this one if you have a larger lawn or if you prefer power over manual effort. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the manual aspect of the American lawnmower bothered you, the next one offers a more modern approach with electric power. Product number 2, Lawnmaster MEB1141K. The Lawnmaster MEB1141K. This electric corded mower struck me with its blend of efficiency and affordability at $107.99. If you're looking for convenience without the fuss of gas, this is worth a serious look. With an 11-amp motor and a 15-inch cutting width, this mower is designed to handle small to medium lawns effortlessly. It cuts through grass like a hot knife through butter, ensuring a clean finish every time. The lightweight design, coming in around 30 pounds, makes it super easy to push around your yard. Plus, with no emissions and little maintenance, it's friendly to both the environment and your wallet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can save you time and energy while keeping your yard looking pristine. Now, some users mentioned issues with the cord getting in the way. Here's the thing. If you have a decent extension cord and plan your mowing route, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use electric mower that minimizes upkeep. Skip this one if you're not a fan of corded mowers or if you have a larger yard that might require more mobility. For the features and power, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something larger. Product number 3, Lawnmaster LMRM 1801. The Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 is a standout with its bright orange color and solid design at a price of $98.99. If you're keen on keeping your lawn healthy without the hassle of gas or batteries, this is worth a serious look. This 18-inch push reel mower features a 5-blade system that gives you a clean, scissor-like cut. This means no ripping or tearing, which keeps your grass healthier. It has 9 cutting height adjustments from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, allowing you to customize your cut based on your lawn's needs. The large 10-inch front wheels offer great maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around obstacles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its ergonomic design, mowing becomes less of a chore. Now, some people mentioned it can be a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, while it weighs around 28 pounds, the performance you get makes it worth handling for those who prioritize a clean cut. This is perfect for you if you have a small to medium lawn and want a traditional mowing experience. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option or have a very small yard. For the price, it's a solid investment for your lawn care needs. Now, if the weight on the Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 was a concern for you, the next model is lighter yet powerful. Product number 4, Lawnmaster LMRM 16002. We have the Lawnmaster LMRM 16002, which is priced at $79.99. This one caught my attention with its sleek black design and efficient cutting system. If you want something that combines performance and ease of use, this is worth a serious look. This 16-inch push reel mower offers that same scissor-like cutting action, ensuring your grass stays healthy and vibrant. With 4 adjustable cutting heights from 1 to 2.5 inches, it provides flexibility depending on your lawn needs. The 10-inch front wheels make it easy to navigate, while its lightweight design at 22 pounds means you won't feel fatigued after mowing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a great option for those who want a reliable and effective mower without the fuss. Now, some reviews pointed out that it can struggle with taller grass. Here's the thing. If you mow regularly and follow the guidelines, you should be fine, making it a non-issue for most homeowners. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller lawn and want a budget-friendly, effective option. Skip this one if you have a larger yard or if you tend to let your grass grow long. It's a great value for what you're getting. Now, if the height adjustments of the LawnMaster LMRM 16002 have you intrigued, the last one takes lawn care to another level.
Product number 5. LawnMaster ME1218X.01. We have the LawnMaster ME1218X.01. Priced at $134.99, this electric lawnmower really brings performance to your lawn care routine. If you want something powerful and efficient, this is worth a serious look. With a 19-inch cutting width and a powerful 12-amp motor, it whisks through your lawn in no time. It features a 2-in-1 function, allowing you to mulch or side discharge, giving you flexibility depending on your preferences. The 6 cutting positions from 1.5 to 4 inches mean you can tailor your cut perfectly. Plus, it's relatively lightweight at about 35 pounds, making it easy to control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get great efficiency and versatility in one package. Now, some users mentioned it may not be as durable as they hoped. Here's the thing. While it's important to treat your mower well, for the price and features, many fund it more than adequate for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful electric mower that makes lawn care easy. Skip this one if you're looking for a manual option or if you have a very small lawn. For the features offered, it's a worthwhile investment for a healthier lawn.
We've covered 5 great options: the American lawnmower for eco-conscious folks, the LawnMaster MEB1114K for electric convenience, the LawnMaster LMRM 1801 for a larger cut, the LMRM 1602 for budget-friendly performance, and the ME1218X.01 for power. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what matters most to you before making a choice.